What is Semenax? Semenax is a semen volume-enhancing capsule with all natural ingredients. It's produced by Leading Edge Health Inc., a company based in Victoria, British Columbia. Leading Edge Health is a known maker of all natural supplements for men's and women's health, as well as skincare products. They have been in the health business for years and have a good reputation for creating and delivering safe and quality goods. Aside from being a semen volume enhancer, Semenax is also a fertility boosting, sexual performance enhancing, and climax intensifier supplement. Although Semenax isn't FDA approved due to being a dietary supplement, it doesn't have any warning letters and any active lawsuits. The same could be said for Leading Edge Health Inc., as the company complies with current good manufacturing practices. How does Semenax work? A man's reproductive system contains 3 semen-producing glands. They are the prostate gland, bulbourethral gland, and seminal vesicle. Semenax works by providing nutrients to these glands, thus increasing their production of fluids, improving sperm health, and lengthening their lives once they get out of the meatus through ejaculation. In terms of sexual performance, Semenax capsules contain a variety of all-natural herbal extracts that have aphrodisiac, blood flow and energy increasing, and endurance improving properties. The product generally received positive reviews from customers, proving that the supplement is honest in delivering its promises. How do you use Semenax for best results? How much Semenax should you take? To reap the best results for using Semenax, we recommend following Leading Edge Health's dosage recommendation. That is taking 4 capsules a day after meals. 1 for breakfast, 1 for lunch, 1 for your afternoon snack, and 1 for dinner. There is no need to double your dosage, as you don't need to wait long to notice the effects of the supplement. A majority of users report Semenax to improve sperm count as fast as 1 week. Some even claim to have increased semen volume as early as 3 days. Consistency is the key to getting the best results from the supplement. We recommend setting reminders so you'll never miss a dose. In case you do miss a dose, you also shouldn't take an extra capsule on your next schedule. Taking extra doses is a waste of capsules, as our semen-producing glands have a production limit even with a proper nutrient supply. How long does it take for Semenax to work? Semenax users report improved semen volume and quality as early as 3 days. The longest result reported to have arrived after taking the supplements is 3 weeks. How the supplement affects user libido is another thing. Semenax users claim to feel sexually aroused 2 to 3 hours after ingesting a capsule. When it comes to overall sexual performance, those who bought the bottle felt longer, intense orgasms with high sexual energy, and penis sensitivity within a month. Remember that results of increased sperm volume vary among men. If a man is a chronic masturbator who doesn't make accurate measurements of his load, he might perceive a different result from others. It's best to make proper semen volume comparisons by measuring your total cum amount after a whole day without ejaculating to an amount with the same ejaculation conditions, but after 3 days using Semenax. Semenax clinical trial assessment and results. Is Semenax safe to use? Semenax capsules and containers are produced by Leading Edge Health Inc. while following current good manufacturing practices. The supplement uses all natural ingredients and has been reviewed by healthcare professionals. So far, no unpleasant side effects have been reported. No lawsuits have been filed in the past, and there is no active case as of today. Semenax has been around the market for a decade now, and every day, more men with their partners have experienced added happiness to their lives. A clinical 2-month double-blind study was conducted by Leading Edge Health Inc. Its purpose was to measure the length and intensity of the orgasms of the men who were taking Semenax capsules. The participants were 63 men in the age range between 30 and 60. They were split into 2 groups. The first group, called the Semenax arm, were given 4 capsules twice a day and were asked to take the supplements according to the recommended dosage. The other group followed the same dosage but with placebo pills. According to the researchers, a higher number of patients in the Semenax arm showed a 20% or more increase in ejaculate volume as compared with the placebo. The researchers also said, Semenax showed statistical significance over the placebo with respect to the investigators' global assessment and the patient's global efficacy assessment. A higher number of patients in the Semenax arm showed an increase in orgasm intensity, from baseline to EOT, end of treatment, as compared with the placebo. Although Semenax is made with all natural ingredients with no reported side effects, it's important not to rule out the possibilities for allergic reactions. Make sure that you're not allergic to the ingredients listed above. Better yet, consult with your physician before buying Semenax capsules. Semenax results before and after. Does Semenax really work, or is it a scam? No, Semenax isn't a scam. Men who have used the product consistently and have reaped the results of their dedication prove its efficacy. A majority of the happiest customers are guys beyond the age of 30 who have noticed a staggering decline in their sexual performance. One reviewer in his mid-40s even claimed that he felt as if he was back in his teenage years. Of course, like any others, he provided no visual proof of the results because who would want that? Instead, he let his wife confirm the change. The bottom line is, the product works, and if you're skeptical, you must try it yourself for at least a month. Better yet, have your partner notice the difference. Then, come back to thank us when you've concluded that you've reached your sexual peak again. We've read the reviews from multiple customers and made a table containing average progress results according to the weeks of using Semenax. Is Semenax reputable, or are there any warnings about Semenax on the internet? Yes. Semenax is highly reputable. A majority of those who bought a bottle at first immediately ordered more once they noticed an increase in their libido, semen volume, and quality. Those who also are happy with their returning sexual vigor were eager to share their positive experiences with other skeptical users. However, some users reported a few warnings such as swollen penis, feet, less penis sensitivity, and not noticing any differences or results. These claims need further investigation, as there might be fraudsters scamming unsuspecting customers through selling counterfeit Semenax capsules. Some might have bought Semenax without reviewing the ingredients used for potential allergies and have taken the capsules right after receiving their package. What do you need to consider if you want to discontinue taking Semenax? There are a few factors you need to consider if you don't want to take Semenax capsules anymore. The first is when you've been taking the supplement for 3 months with still no results. The second is your physician's advice. If they're strongly against the idea of you taking Semenax, you must listen to them. The third is when you notice that allergic reactions or severe discomfort happen after taking the pills. The fourth is when you no longer want to deliver a peak sexual performance or shoot massive loads of thick semen. If you want to discontinue Semenax, you can try alternatives. Where can you buy Semenax? Semenax price comparison. There are only 3 known legitimate stores in which you can buy Semenax. One is through the product's official webpage. You can also go to leading Edge Health Inc.'s website. Lastly, you can buy the capsules through Walmart. All prices are the same for each vendor at $59.95 per bottle. However, you can get bundle deals from the first 2. It's also recommended to buy from the official manufacturer to guarantee the supplements are legitimate. Can you buy Semenax in a pharmacy? No, you cannot buy Semenax aside from the 3 online stores mentioned above. Leading Edge Health Inc. values the discretion of its male customers. They don't want their patrons to buy their sex performance-enhancing products publicly.